Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you.
Alright guys, we are about to leave the house in the middle of the night to go search for a trail in the middle of the woods. So I'm trying to see what gear I'm going to bring with me. Definitely, let me see. Definitely going to bring a flashlight. Definitely love this flashlight. This flashlight is called, let me show you guys. It's an E2D Defender made by Surefire. Crazy bright, nice little sharp bezel on the front. You can imagine what that's for. Very, it's a nice tactical flashlight and it's crazy bright. It's got different brightness modes, but I have a feeling this may not be enough. We may need to bring some extra reinforcements just in case. Like I said, we are going to be going to the middle of the woods. We're not going to go inside. We're going to go see if we could find the entrance to the trail. And if I do find the entrance to this trail, we're going to be going back on another day during the day. But for now, the goal is to find the entrance. I was looking at Google Maps satellite pictures. I was also talking to another local YouTuber. I'm supposed to actually go meet up with him on the weekend so he could show me where the trail is. But I figured, you know what? This might be more exciting. Let's go out in the middle of the night, of course, and see if I could actually find this trail. You never know what kind of psychos or crazy people may be hanging out in the woods, especially in the middle of the night. So it's better to be safe than sorry. We're gonna bring some backup just in case.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and let's go hunting for a trail. This Rubicon is ready to go. Maybe we'll even get a chance to use some of the lighting. Let's see. Got a whole bunch of recovery gear in the back. Let's go. Tonight, as far as scouting is concerned, it's kind of nice to do it at nighttime just because there's probably going to be less federales out there and stuff like that. So, you know, I could just look around in peace. Once I figure out exactly where the entrance is, then I'll be able to go ahead and just go on another day and just sneak in really quick, get in there, and hopefully no federales will see me when I sneak in. Uh-oh, we definitely gonna have to get some gas first though. You don't want to be hanging out in the middle of the woods and get stuck with no gas. I don't want to end up like in one of these cases where, you know, the headlines in the newspaper the following day says YouTuber disappears as he attempts to go into the trails in the middle of the night. Yeah. We're being as safe about it as we possibly can. I mean, look at the lighting. Look at the lighting on the Jeep. Right now, these are just my headlights. Got my headlights and fog lights. None of my light bars are turned on. It just shows you how bright it is. Right now, it's actually pretty foggy outside. I don't think I've ever really driven with you guys at nighttime in the Jeep. You know, it just kind of gives you an idea as to how bright the lights are on my Rubicon. I absolutely love these lights. I've had zero issues with them. Hopefully I'm not jinxing myself. But these are the JW speaker headlights, fog lights, and tail lights. Absolutely awesome product. Plus, in addition to the lights just being crazy bright, they look so much cooler than the stock lights. Definitely time to do a review on those headlights, fog lights, and tail lights. I'll be doing that video soon too. It's been at least 2 years since I've had them. I think part of the reason also, not only is it a great product, the installation was done perfectly. When I say perfectly, that means I did the installation. So I know I took every single precaution, and when I do the video review, I'll go into those details. All right, guys, we're here. Let's go ahead and fill up the tank.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in comments.
Alright guys, I'm kind of just driving around. As you can see, it's like old woods on each side. It's kind of hard to see. Well, I can use my flashlight to light up towards the sides. but we're kind of just driving around trying to see if we see like a hole in the woods. There's got to be some kind of an entrance or like tire tracks where other people, maybe other Jeeps or ATVs, dirt bikes, stuff like that, are using to get into the woods. All right, guys, let's go ahead and turn on some of these off-road lights so you can get an idea how bright they actually are. There's a street light on right there, so it's not the greatest test, but you'll get the idea. All right, so that's the small one. That's the tiny light bar that I have on the front bumper. Yeah, when I turn on all these lights, guys, it's crazy bright. It is just ridiculous. You get an idea how bright it is. It turns the night into sunlight. But let me turn them off. One thing that you probably can't see is I do have backup lights also that light up, that are pretty bright. Let me just see. I'm just gonna turn on one real quick. You guys can probably see that. Okay, guys, it looks like we have a little bit of bad luck. I think I found the entrance, but there's a security guard for some reason blocking my entrance. I don't know what's going on. I'm definitely gonna have to scope this place out. Hold on, I think we got company behind me. All right, hold on a second, guys. I think I got federales behind me. Okay, guys, you see those flashing lights over there? That security guard apparently is blocking the entrance of what I think will take me to that trail. So I'm gonna have to come back during the day and scope this place out better to see if there's another entrance or if that's the only entrance. Guys, if it's your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you can sign up for notifications. I'll catch you guys in the next video.